Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Basic Advanced English. I'm Shamanam. So this video is really going to add, or I would say it is going to level up your English, speaking English. I'm talking about spoken English. Why? Because the sentences that are written on the board are daily sentences. I will give you, not I won't say that the transformation or the sentences how you are going to supposed to say the sentences in English and they are proverbs, but I will give you certain sentences that will make you profound. What you have to do, you just have to watch my video from the beginning till end, and just by watching once or twice my video, you will be able to grasp these sentences. And when you know when you inculcate these sentences, when you start saying these sentences in English, definitely it will have an impact upon the person hearing your English. Okay, so let's begin. These are basic sentences, and they do, you definitely in our daily conversation, you definitely come across situations when you have to speak these sentences. The first one is आज तो हद कर दी उसने. आज तो हद कर दी उसने. So what all you can say in English in order to have a great impact upon others is आज तो हद कर दी उसने. Today he crossed all the limits. This is sentence number one. Okay. Second, you can say he went too far today. He or she whatsoever. Third sentence could be he really pushed it today. Okay. Whatever he did today was it was beyond tolerance. Moving to sentence number 2, आपका होना या ना होना एक बराबर है. Okay, simple way of saying is that your presence doesn't make any difference. So, simple you can say zero difference. Okay, your presence is of no use. Okay, or you can say no impact whatsoever. We definitely have people around us who do not stand up to what they say. So whenever you have to say आपका होना ना होना एक बराबर है, you can say your presence doesn't count. Okay. So what I am doing is I am trying to give you as many sentences as I can. Moving to sentence number 3, अपने लिए खुद खड़ा होना होगा. Definitely we come across situations when we do say आपको अपनी लड़ाई खुद लड़नी होगी, आपको अपनी आवाज खुद उठानी होगी, आपको अपनी बात अपने राइट्स के लिए खुद खड़े होना होगा. So this is the situation, अपने लिए खुद खड़ा होना. And the context and reference, it could be anything, but you can say don't let anyone walk over you. If you say this sentence, then the sentence literally means that you are trying to say that you have to stand up for yourself, you have to speak up for yourself, you have to fight for your rights. These are basic sentences. Okay, so instead of those sentences, you can say don't let anyone walk over you. Make your voice heard. Okay, don't let anyone tell you what you should do. Okay, नाम बड़े दर्शन छोटे. Okay, नाम बड़े दर्शन छोटे. I hope you are familiar with this sentence or statement. When there is so much hype about things, it could be a brand, it could be a new product, it could be an eatable item, and it turns out to be a complete failure. Okay, so the sentences can be all hype, no quality. Okay, it was all cracked up. For instance, there's a movie, and everywhere you are, you get to hear that this movie is phenomenal, but when you see it, it turned out to be a complete disaster. It turned out to be, it was a cracked up movie. So all hype, no quality. One more I would like to give you. all show, no substance. Fine. Statement number 5, हमें किसी का हिस्सा नहीं मानना चाहिए. Okay, simple as that. Be fair. Okay, everyone deserves their share. As simple as that. Moving to number 6, बहाने मत बनाओ. We often come across people, even us, we make excuses. So simply, in English we said, please don't make excuses. Instead of saying, bahane mat banao, don't make excuses, I'm going to give you 2 very innovative sentences, which are like, be accountable. Don't make excuses. Okay. The second one would be, own up your actions instead of excuses, giving excuses. If you know that you are at fault, instead of blaming it upon others, instead of giving excuses, you have to own up your actions. You have to stand up and say, okay, all right, I was wrong over here. All right. Idhar udhar ki baat mat karo. There's a very famous proverb in English. When you say idhar udhar ki baat mat karo, which is something like this: don't beat around the bush. That means don't talk nonsense. Come to the point. Okay, let's discuss. Let's address the core issue. Over here, core means main. Okay, or you can say, let's stick to the main thing. All the sentences mean the same. I'm trying to give you multiple sentences so that at least out of so many, 1 or 2 should retain with you. All right. Number 8, जितना सुना था उससे ज्यादा ही पाया. जितना सुनने मिला था किसी भी चीज के बारे में, उससे ज्यादा ही पाया. So it exceeded, or a better word would be, it surpassed my expectations. Okay. One more sentence of saying this, जितना सुना था उससे ज्यादा ही पाया का. It is way beyond than I had anticipated. Both mean the same. Okay? It's just an innovative ways of saying things, just to sound profound, and also, by saying these sentences, definitely they will boost up your confidence. You will get, undoubtedly, you will get confidence, by saying these sentences. Moving on to next sentence. एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे से निकाल दो. Okay? So, cut it off, brush it off. Okay? Not worth your attention. We definitely say no. एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे से निकाल दो. Cut it off, brush it off, not worth your attention, or don't dwell upon it. Okay? Cut the noise. See, there are so many ways of saying a single statement, a single sentence. एक पंथ दो काज. Okay? We say when एक पंथ दो काज is literally the proverb of it would be when you're striking a bird with you have one thing, and with you're doing one thing, and with one thing you are kind of achieving two things, or you could achieve multiple goals also. Okay, so achieving or attaining multiple goals with one arrow or with one thing. Okay, बेकार की बातों में समय बर्बाद मत करो. In simple sentences or in simple English, we say, do not waste your time. What do we hear? Even the teachers tell us, our parents tell us, don't waste your time by watching television. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Enough with the waste your time. Just throw the sentence somewhere else. Instead, you can sound profound by saying, do not or don't address trivial issues, or don't worry about trivial issues. Focus on what's important. Okay? There is noise everywhere. You get to see so many things. It is up to us to decide what is important for us, what should we see, what should we consume, what should we hear. Okay? So these were the daily sentences, and trust me, I found these sentences really interesting, and I always try to inculcate these sentences in my daily conversation. At least make an attempt to do it. Only by providing videos will not serve the purpose. It is you who has to make, you know, you also have to make an attempt if you really want to learn English speaking. If you really want to speak English like a pro. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and being with me.